Hey guys, what's going on out there today in this crazy world? Hey, welcome to the channel, everyone. I'm Josh at Savinabuck, and here at Savinabuck, if you're new to the channel, we do all the projects we can ourselves. They're all do-it-yourself projects. A little bit of everything from time to time. If, like I said, if you're new, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out. We have new videos every week. And today I'm in my laundry room and we will be tearing apart a washer valve for the hot and cold water, because I thought my washer was going out at one time, but it wasn't it. It was the water valve on the back side. It's defective and don't know why or how, but I'm not getting any water through the cold side of it. So we're going to replace it today. So join along and we'll get started. Alright, so here is the little valve we're going to be replacing. The hot still works, but the cold don't. And somewhere or another this valve's not opening up on this side. So we're going to tear it apart and replace it today. And although my house, it kind of looks like a normal house, it ain't. Alright, so guys, I said that this is not your typical house. This is a pole barn house, and to get to that water valve I need to get to is right behind this, and we'll get ready to take it apart and switch out them valves. Alright, so here is the back side of my wall, and then here's that valve that we're going to change out. So we want to make sure we go in, turn off all the water to this, and before we ever try to loosen anything out. Water's off. Now I have these shark bites right here that allow that to spin inside there without leaking. If you don't have that, you'll probably have to cut your line and maybe put a shark bite back in the line to put that back on if it's a threaded. Or you can go buy the shark bites that they already are a water hose fitting for the washer, if you'd like it that way. Now we just have these two little nuts here to remove. Alright, so now after the water's all turned off, we're going to take our lines loose here. Okay, we pull it apart. Alright, so this is the old valve. This is the old valve right here. You can see it's shiny, it's clean in that one, but this one is stopped plumb up with either calcium or something that's come through my line. Never had this happen before. But it's supposed to look like that one, so when you open it, it's open. But it's not. So that's why we're replacing this valve. Alright, so I got brand new fittings right here. It says washing machine valves. They're 1/2 inch by 3/4, and they're made by SharkBite, but they're not really SharkBites. They're threaded fittings. So we'll get ready to put these in. Make sure you get you some thread tape for your pipe ends. Be good for that one. Nothing back on. Okay, we'll put our lines back on. Maybe. We'll put the lines back on in the other room. Now we want to put our lines back on. The hot with the hot, cold with the cold. This will be a hot one. Okay, that's that one. Should be tight enough. Go out there and finish. So now it's all hooked up. You want to check for any water leaks or anything like that. Make sure it's not leaking anywhere. And should be good to go. It's all good to go, so we want to put our insulation back. Cut that back, fan full. Now let's put the middle back. Alright guys, that's it today. If you don't have a pole barn style house like I do, it's a little bit tougher. You got to cut the drywall out below that box inside your house. That way you can get in there and work at it. Fortunately, I had the easier way without cutting drywall, and everything's a little bit simpler with the pole barn house sometimes. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the videos. We'll have a new video next week, and we'll see you then. Thanks for watching.